Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Kia Forte battery. Before starting, prioritize your safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is parked securely on a level surface with the engine completely off. Engaging the parking brake is also a crucial first step to prevent any unexpected movement. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the battery terminals. You'll find the battery located on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Using a 10mm socket, begin by loosening the bolt on the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Once loose, carefully remove the cable and ensure it cannot accidentally touch the battery. Then, repeat this process for the positive terminal. With the terminals safely disconnected, it's time to remove the battery's securing mechanism. Locate the hold-down bracket, usually at the base of the battery. Depending on your model, you'll need a 12 or 13mm socket to loosen and remove the bolt. Once the hold-down is off, gently slide the battery forward a few inches. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift with care using the built-in handle. Before installing your new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable connectors. A wire brush or a mixture of baking soda and water works wonders for removing any corrosion, ensuring a good connection. Position the new battery, making sure the positive and negative terminals align correctly. Reinstall the hold-down bracket, then connect the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable, tightening both securely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.